she double C's with a cash pack. She living in the best life, people Snapchat. I know she pressure, I gotta get it, I'm like that. I be a hustle, she be my book, I'm a wife that. But she missing the penny.
What's up, you guys? My name is Alexus, you can call me Lexi, and today's video is on this hair. From Doris Hair, we're doing a unboxing first impressions video so y'all can see what you will expect if you buy this hair from this company. So before we get into the video, real quick, I just want to say, one, do not forget to hit that notification bell so you can be a part of the Lexi Mob Squad. Two, are you subscribed yet? Because if you're not, you should subscribe because it's free, period. Three, did you like this video yet? Because it's free and I'll wait for you to do it. Did you do it yet? 13, so it's a pixie cut bob lace wig. It's a 13 by 6, 150 density, and it's 8 inches long. So that is extremely short, and I am so nervous to see what I got. I bought this hair last Thursday and I just received it Monday. So that was an extremely fast turnaround. Like, I mean, I can't snap right now because, you know, got my nails. But yeah, so let's get right into this unboxing because I am super excited. So as you see, it comes in this box. The packaging looks pretty nice. Okay, so I just came back from cutting off the little thing. So the message inside says, along with you for every important day. I'm flattered. Okay, so this is the wig. Oh, this is the wig. It's with an elastic band, a comb, a brush and comb duo for your edges, and a two-piece wig cap. So that's actually really all you need to really lay your wig. If y'all want to see how I lay my wigs, comment down below because, you know, I could show y'all. If you guys are interested in me doing a video on this hair, please let me know down in the comments or like the video so I can know. Elastic bands are really helpful and prevents you from having to use glue if you use it properly. But they can give you a headache. If you're headache prone, don't use them. I'm a headache prone person and I still use it because I'm hard headed as hell. That's why. But all you'll need is just sewing thread to sew this on your cap, and then voila, you got everything else. Okay. This is the wig. It is 8 inches, you guys. I've never had a wig shorter than 10, so. And they have this protective net over it and like this little white paper inside to keep the shape. This is the wig, you guys. Oh my gosh. It is so short. I mean, so short. I'm gonna try to put it on over this one because I don't feel like taking this one off. I'm actually really excited about this. So far, it feels pretty soft. It feels like really soft, especially for it to be curly hair. Oops, fix my hair. Yeah, it feels really good, you guys, actually. And it doesn't really have a smell. Okay, that's interesting. Front looks like it's actually kind of a little bit like actually pre-plucked. So this is what the wig looks like on the inside. It's a 13 by 6 lace, as I said before. So the parting goes all the way back to make it look more natural. It comes with adjustable straps and wig combs on the inside. So you get a wig comb here, here, and 2 on the sides. I normally cut out the wig combs because I don't like how they pull on my hair, so most likely I might cut out these wig combs, but I may keep the one in the back because this hair is shorter and my hair is a lot longer than this wig, and so I don't want my braids coming out. I think I'm going to keep the part where it is because it looks pretty good, and I'm just going to give you guys a good close-up of this wig. Yeah, and I really feel like the closure is really pre-plucked already, which is going to save me so much more time when it comes to customizing. I may go in and just like pluck it a little bit more, just like on the places right here, but not a lot. So that's going to cut down customization in half. But let's see if it sheds. So we got some clump of hair. I'm not even gonna try to make y'all see that, but some hair came out. not a lot, and this is short curly hair at that, so there is some shedding. I'm not too concerned because this is curly hair. Curly hair tends to shed a lot more than straight hair, even from the beginning. But it's not anything really alarming, so. And it's really, really soft. Like, this is probably the softest curly hair I've gotten off of Aliexpress. It's really, really soft. I can run my fingers through, there's no tangling. The little curls aren't nappy or matted from being in the box and on the net. So yeah, this is like a pretty good, you know? And it's really thick in the back, and I like that because then I can mask my real hair even better. It won't be like a little lump bump for my little braid ponytail I keep in the back. For those of you that don't like the elastic band or likes to glue down your wigs, there is like this excess lace, and they do have like 2 tracks sewn onto the lace. So you can actually sew in between the tracks. I really didn't realize it was pre-plucked. Normally on AliExpress, they'll say it's pre-plucked, and it's never pre-plucked, ever. Communication was good. They did email me to confirm my address and everything was correct, but a lot of AliExpress, I think a majority of AliExpress sellers do that just to cover their ass so that packages doesn't get sent to the wrong place and whatnot. Okay, so far this wig is a thumbs up for me, and I will do a follow-up once I actually wear the wig and customize it and whatnot. Don't forget to like this video if you want to see a video of me customizing this wig. As usual, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to comment down below what video you want to see next. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss the next video. And just to ensure that, hit that notification bell so I pop up on your screen whenever I upload. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.
I'm saying